Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to identify the song now. Make sure your phone is online and the assistant has microphone permission. Say, "Hey Google," or tap the mic so the assistant begins listening immediately. Don't waste time on settings. Then ask, "What's this song?" Or hum a clear portion of the tune. Assistant uses audio fingerprints and melody matching to find candidates. Once you start, stay steady and capture at least 2 to 4 seconds of the main melody, so the system can match it accurately. Once the assistant is listening, optimize the audio. Move closer to the speaker or raise volume so the sample is clean. If you're humming, sing the hook or chorus steadily and avoid background chatter. The assistant matches pitch and rhythm patterns. Make sure language and voice match your account settings so commands are understood. If one attempt fails, try a second take with a different phrase like "identify this song" and include any lyrics you remember to narrow the results. When assistant returns a match, open the result to play a preview, then save it to your playlist or links. Say "add to my YouTube music playlist" or tap the streaming link. You can also copy or share the song link directly from the result. If nothing appears, check the microphone permission, restart the assistant or the phone, and try again. Humming the main hook or singing a different section often fixes recognition problems. One quick tip: move away from noisy areas for a cleaner sample.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.